Hello, my name is Zime. I'm in the Management 335, Section 2. I make my own company. It's called Amber Hotel. I use the two resources codes, which is Hilton Hotel and the North Cornwall Grand Hotel. I represent how my company related to the different theories. This is the agenda. I will have the quick video introduce my company and the three codes analyze and how they related to the different theories and the conclusion at the end. So now this is the quick video.
At Hilton Supply Management, we know you have a lot on your mind, whether it's opening a new property or running one long into the future. That is why we have created the only truly global supply chain partner for all your procurement needs.
We are Hilton, we are hospitality. That mantra is true for Hilton, and that mantra is true for Hilton Supply Management. We know hospitality, we know what your needs are on a daily basis, and we want to be that entrusted partner for you.
So what a lot of people don't know is that Hilton Supply and the Hilton brand teams work hand in hand to develop the products and services that you need as an owner. Other third parties are out there trying to deliver a similar product and service, but they don't have that working knowledge from day one. There are two.
The Hilton Hotel is a good example to make my hotel. They can eventually manage their supply chain and their teams. So now I'm introducing my own company. The Amber Hotel is headquartered in Los Angeles in the United States, and there are many different branches in the world, such as New York, London, Paris, Shanghai, and Tokyo. And also we have the Great Michelin chefs, heartwarming service, professional roomkeeper, and infrastructure constructions, such as swimming pool, free coffee pub, the gym, and the golf courses. Our core purpose is to create a part-time 5-star hotel to provide guests with the most comfortable environment and the best quality service. There are my three codes. The environment construction, we should achieve the quality good quality environment and adhere to the attitude of environmental protection, try to without have much impact on nature. And the financial management will regulate the behavior of employees and follow the rules. The customer survey, we are trying to have the high quality of customer service, special entertainment service, and different membership. The first code is environment construction. For the normative ethical theories, we use the utilitarianism. For the utilitarianism, the creating a comfortable living and entertainment environment for customers. This is the good actions to promote the people's welfare. And based on the rigorous two-step approach to moral decision making. So whether the size of the construction scale is reasonable, whether the construction fund is sufficient, and whether the relative service meets the customer experience, we are supposed to follow the two-step approaches. Based on the prima facie obligations, as a hotel, the most important thing is to protect the guest's privacy. For the environmental theories, in the business traditional attitudes towards the environment, the Amber Hotel also adheres to the attitude of environmental protection and tries to improve its business value without much impact on the nature. And for achieving our environmental goal theory, Amber Hotel will continue its commitment to sustainable development. For the delving deeper into environmental ethics, we must respect the future generation and let them have a good environment, and Emerald Hotel adheres to the principles sustainable development. We also have the 3 legal requirements, which is Clean Water Act, National Environment Policy, and the Federal Land Policy and Management Act of 1967. So Amber Hotel is supposed to discharge daily food, dessert, juice, and room pollutants into the designated area to protect the quality of its waters and service water. So, for example, the golf courses, we need to put forward the planning of the land and make sure there are no impact on the environment. So, the second code is the financial management. The financial management, we have the normative ethical theories. So as the Emerald Hotel carefully considered this various membership card system to provide the most reasonable policy, and in the cantinism, the Emerald Hotel employees' salary and bonds, we have the financial policy to have the appropriate system to get the different salary of different peoples. And the third one is achieving the utilitarism. So under the utilitarism, Emerald Hotel should follow the utilitarism and such as the leisure and the hospitality laws. So in the legal requirement, we also have the 3 different act and regulations, which is the Federal Trade Commission Act, Federal Financial Regulation, and the Trade Expansion Act of 1962. The third code is customer service. Based on the utilitarism, capitalism, prima facie application, Hotel provides the special country and entertainment service. We treat all the customers with respect and give them the best quality because they are members of society and deserve to be respected. And also, we will give more considerate service to those who need the help. In the environmental theories, due to the ecological economics, reduce the use of disposable tableware and paper towel, to provide the food to be protect the good environment. And also, Emerald Hotel is trying to minimize the damage of environment in the to the environment. So, for example, the natural hot spring and outdoor golf course opened by Emerald Hotel are all based on the natural resources. So, customers enjoy this service and get benefits from the nature. So that's why we should be protect the environment to have our benefits from the nature. And last one is the legal of the requirements. We also have the three act: GATS, FCRA, C, and CRA. The GATS, which is the General Agreement on Trade in Service, and the FCRA is the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and CRA, which is the Customer Rights Act. Though Emerald Hotel is a 5-star hotel, so we should comply with WTO regulations, and also customer can have the feedback to the hotel. So this is very important for the hotel, and also resolve the relevant issues with if we have any issue with the customer, we can use the Customer Rights Act to solve the problem. In the conclusion, there are recommendations to prospective manager follow the local laws and regulations, make reasonable plans, and strictly regulate the employees' behavior. And in the real world, I didn't have any experience to manage the large business. So before I had experience to manage the small store, like Nifty store. So even if we have any conflict, communicate well with the customer, and for the long-term development, small benefits can be lost, but to keep the big benefits for the future. So now we recap the theories. We use the three theories: normative, ethics theories, and the environment theories. And also we have the legal requirement for my company. Thank you. Any questions and comments?